Hey, let's talk about this product that's going to save you time and money. This is a 5 amp automatic battery charger made by ecoworthy. They're known for their solar panels, their batteries, and their solar regulators. This charger also has a built-in battery tester. To use the battery tester, just make sure that your charger is not plugged into the outlet. All you have to do is connect the alligator clips to the red and black connectors on the batteries. And with that, the charger will tell you the condition of the battery and how much charge is left. Let's charge the batteries now. The first step is to remove the negative and positive wires from the battery. Next, plug in the battery charger into a standard wall outlet. The cord is on the short side, so make sure you're close to our outlet. The next step is to select the battery type. You can choose standard, AGM, and lithium. Just press the mode button to cycle through the different choices. The last 4 modes that this charger has is standby, DC adapter, low temperature charging, and lithium battery activation. To charge the battery, just reconnect the alligator clips to the positive and the negative terminals on the battery. The charger can only work with 12-volt batteries. Connecting to a 24-volt or larger battery will damage the charger. One thing that I really like about this charger is the big LED display. It shows the percentage charge, the battery's current, and the amount of amp that's being put into it by the charger. For larger vehicles, there's also a 10 amp version of this battery charger. The charger also has protection from overcharging, short circuit, and reverse connection. It's also very small and compact and does not take much space. It is made of a hard plastic case, which makes it very light. In addition to the alligator clips, there's also a 16-gauge SAE ring cable connector. There's also a 10 amp in-cable fuse. If the fuse gets burned out, it can easily be replaced by a standard 10 amp fuse. The last thing I want to talk about is the instruction manual. Make sure you read it before you plug in the charger. There are a lot of tips that tells you how to use this product correctly. There's also easy to understand tables and illustrations. As you saw in my demonstration video, this product is very simple to use. This charger is almost like a plug-and-play machine. Plug the charger into a nearby outlet, then connect the alligator clips to the battery's terminal. The charger will extend the life of your car's battery, which will save you hundreds of dollars in the long run.